tell about Hamlet by William Shakespeare. Hamlet is a tragedy by William Shakespeare, written around 1599 till 1601. This drama is one of Shakespeare's famous tragedies. The translation into Indonesian is titled Hamlet, Prince of Denmark, and is done by Trisno Sumarjo. This tragedy tells of a king who died mysteriously, his widow, and then married his brother. The king's spirit haunts the royal palace. He wants his son Hamlet to seek revenge. Prince Hamlet, who is sensitive, has vowed to take revenge in every way that must be paid handsomely.
Main character Hamlet, Prince of Denmark. His character, vindictive, impatient, easily provoked emotions. King Claudius, Hamlet's uncle. His character, evil, cunning, cruel, murderous, greedy. Queen Gertrude, Hamlet's mother. Her character, evil, cruel, murderous, greedy. Horatio, Hamlet's friend. His character, good friend, always accompany Hamlet. Polonius, the king's jet advisor. His character, good person, patient to give advice. Smart, Ophelia, daughter of Polonius. Her character, good girl, really love Hamlet. Laertes, son of Polonius. His character, cunning, vindictive, impatient. Time and place, hundreds of years ago in Denmark.
Summary of this story. Hamlet is a prince in the country of Denmark. His father had just died, and his uncle Claudius is sitting the throne. In addition, his uncle also married Hamlet's mother, Gertrude. This made Hamlet feel very sad. At the same time, some of Hamlet's friends saw a ghost who claimed to be Hamlet's father. When Hamlet also saw this ghost, he was told to take revenge because Claudius had killed him. Hamlet pretended crazy to trap Claudius. In addition, Hamlet also invited several actors to stage the stories he wrote himself. The story is about someone who killed the king by pouring poison in his ear hole. When this story was staged, Claudius became very guilty and left before the show ends. Hamlet asked Gertrude about his father's death. When Gertrude did not want to confess, Hamlet became angry, and when he saw someone hiding behind the curtain, he stabbed him. Unexpectedly, this was Polonius, Claudius' advisor. Polonius died, and his two children Leges and Ophelia mourned. Ophelia had actually fallen in love with Hamlet, but because of this, she went crazy and drowned in the river.
After this, Claudius sent Hamlet to England to study there, even though his real aim was to expel Hamlet from Denmark. He and his close friend Horatio then escaped from the ship that took him to England and returned to Denmark. There Hamlet accidentally saw Ophelia's funeral procession, and because of his sadness, he jumped into Ophelia's grave. Laertes, who saw this, became angry and wanted to avenge his father's death. He also challenged Hamlet to a sword duel. Before the duel, Lear's sword had been poisoned by Claudius. In addition, Hamlet's wine was poisoned. In the first 2 rounds, Hamlet won against Lear's, and Gertrude drank Hamlet's wine to cheer. In the next round, Hamlet is wounded by Lear's sword, but he then exchanged sword and managed to injure Lear's too. Before dying of poison, Lear's claimed to have conspired with Claudius. Hamlet kills Claudius eventually, but Gertrude and Hamlet themselves died from the same poison.
Dalam bahasa Indonesia, cerita ini tuh menceritakan tentang sebuah dendam. Hamlet ini adalah karangan William Shakespeare yang ditulis sekitar tahun 1599 sampai 1601. Dahulu pada tahun tersebut itu ada seorang raja di Denmark yang meninggal secara misterius. Kemudian rohnya sang raja itu menghantui istana kerajaan, terutama putranya, Hamlet. Hamlet selalu dihantui oleh sang raja, karena sang raja ingin dendamnya dibalaskan oleh Hamlet. Raja dendam kepada paman Hamlet dan ibu Hamlet, karena mereka itu yang membunuhnya. Paman Hamlet yang bernama Claudius dan ibunya Hamlet yang bernama Gertrude, mereka berdua itu bersekongkol untuk membunuh sang raja agar bisa menguasai kerajaan dan supaya mereka berdua bisa menikah. Suatu ketika, Hamlet yang ingin membalaskan dendam ayahnya, dia itu menjebak paman dan ibunya agar mereka mengakuinya. Hamlet membuat sebuah kayak talk show atau drama, penampilan drama gitu, yang berjudul sama seperti pembunuhan ayahnya, yaitu seorang raja yang dibunuh oleh pamannya dan ibunya. Claudius, pamannya Hamlet, yang mengetahui bahwa cerita itu seperti menyindir dia, kemudian dia meninggalkan ruangan tersebut dan melarikan diri. Kemudian Hamlet melihat di balik tirai seperti ada seseorang yang bersembunyi. Hamlet mengira bahwa itu adalah pamannya, Claudius. Kemudian Hamlet menikamnya sampai dia terbunuh. Namun sayangnya itu bukanlah Claudius, melainkan Polonius, yaitu penasehat kerajaan. Anak Polonius yang tidak terima karena ayahnya sudah dibunuh oleh Hamlet, dia akan membalaskan dendamnya pada Hamlet. Anaknya yang bernama Laertes, dia bersekongkol dengan pamannya, Claudius, untuk membunuh Hamlet. Laertes mengajak Hamlet untuk duel pedang. Sebelum itu, Laertes sudah meracuni pedangnya untuk ditusukkan kepada Hamlet agar dia meninggal. Sementara itu, Claudius juga memberikan racun pada minuman anggur yang akan diminum oleh Hamlet. Namun sayangnya, minuman anggur itu diminum sendiri oleh ibunya Hamlet, yaitu Gertrude tadi. Kemudian, Claudius yang ingin membunuh Hamlet, ternyata dia sendiri terbunuh oleh pedangnya yang sudah diracuni sendiri. Kemudian, pedang itu ditusukkan oleh Hamlet kepada Claudius. Jadi, pada saat itu Laertes dan Claudius sudah meninggal. Kemudian ibu Hamlet yang sudah minum minuman anggur yang sudah diracuni tadi itu juga meninggal. Kemudian Hamlet juga meninggal karena dia juga meminum minuman yang sudah diracuni itu tadi. Jadi pada cerita ini semua tokoh meninggal. Ada pertumpahan darah di kerajaan tersebut.